You might be listening to this podcast in a circumstance or a situation where you've spent tens of thousands on content and it all got muted overnight and you don't have any control of that.
Hello, we're on.
Hello.
We're live. Hello. Woo. How's it going, George?
Yeah, very well. It's very rainy, so I'm very cozy and excited to be talking through today's topic.
How delightful. I'm good, thanks. Welcome to the Hear Me Out podcast. Hear Me Out, we are a creative music agency helping brands use sound strategically. We've helped brands with a gross revenue well into the billions of pounds use sound to unlock value only sound can.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
In this first series, we are asking each other if commonly held beliefs about sonic branding are true, or whether they are misconceptions. And in today's episode, we are exploring whether I can use any song or sound or trending sound if they are on Instagram or TikTok. Pretty broad topic. We've actually already recorded this episode and realized we could give so much better information because we're learning. I almost feel like we'll be doing one a month on this because it's such a rapidly evolving topic. The laws are changing around licensing. People are getting sued left, right and center. And we want to prevent you from being in that same situation. So that's the topic of today. Luke.
That's the topic of today.
How are you going to start us off? What do you want to talk about first amongst this broad topic?
I think the easiest place to start for a lot of people is particularly people that are in charge of a brand's Instagram account or a TikTok. We're probably going to use Instagram a lot here because we deal with a lot of brands that predominantly advertise on Instagram. But everything we say can be cross-pollinated to any other social media platform, really. And
yes.
We might be telling people things they know, but every single brand, every single account has a type. So you can be a creator account or you can be a business account. If you are pushing a brand in a commercial way to make money, whether it's indirectly or directly from Instagram, you do need to have a business account as far as I'm aware.
Yeah. Yeah.
So therein lies I think it's the biggest cause for confusion. Because if you have a creator account, you can just be creating stuff. You can be creating dog videos because you love dogs and you want to send them to your grandma. And you're not making any money off of that. And the songs you have access to, when you go and post a video and then you get that screen that says choose a sound and you search through songs, those songs that you get are completely different to the songs that you get as a business.
Yes.
And the reason why that is, I hear everyone shouting, why, oh, why?
Why, Luke? Why?
Because there are licensing agreements with the owners of these songs. And if you are using a song to make money, it would be the same as when a film uses a song, they have to pay the people that own the song. And so they're just different licensing agreements and you have different musical choices.